Do you know that we sell good tires? Question mark. It is not necessary for you to buy tires in a repair shop, comma, for our store now carries them, full stop. You can buy them when you are in the store, comma, just as you would select silks or something for your house, full stop. These tires are good value, comma, and they sell rapidly, full stop. Each of them carries our guarantee, full stop, and para. It is quite some time since you bought anything in this store, full stop. I am writing to you myself, comma, because I should be sorry to lose your custom, full stop. It may be that we have offended you in some way, full stop. If this is the case, I hope you will write to me, full stop. Our service and our way of doing business are things which we boast about, full stop. It would be a pity to stay away because of something which could be easily remedied, comma, and you should not hesitate to write to some and let me know the cause, full stop, and we have sent to you today a copy of our latest catalog as well as some special booklets which we think you will like to have. Full stop. When any new designs are issued, we shall post details to you so that you will be up to the minute. As far as we know, these designs are not stocked by anybody else in your territory, and no doubt they will be popular with your customers and clothes.